Hi, we welcome you to the House of Green Tree Building Energy Private Limited. Green Tree is a 10 years old establishment having headquarters in Noida and several branch offices across India. We are a team of over 50 multidisciplinary professionals working across India, having executed over 600 projects in the last 10 years. Our expertise lies in advisory services, sustainable design and implementation, products and solutions, and skill development. We have conducted over 200 online and offline training and awareness programs for professionals and students. Now, I would like you to be introduced to a new educational and training venture by Greentree called the GT Academy. The GT Academy is an initiative to help the pre-final and final year architecture and engineering students gain hands-on experience through best industry practices. With the help of the GT Academy, you can attend courses based on current and future industry requirements. The courses over time will cover every domain associated with sustainability in architecture, planning, engineering, research, technology, and design. We have designed this course in a way that the participants can learn the basic fundamentals of computational fluid dynamics, understand its application so they can integrate the learnings from this course with their ongoing and future work. The course is focused to apply CFD principles to building design and take effective design decisions to optimize the building design and its performance while following the climate responsive architecture. As part of the GT Academy's initiative, this course is also designed primarily for pre-final and final year architecture and engineering students. However, if you are a professional who is in her or his first job or graduates yet to start their career and are interested in having a career in building design or computational dynamics, are encouraged to register for this course. This course is a perfect blend of theories and hands-on experience. There are no complex prerequisites for this course. However, considering you to be an undergraduate or postgraduate student, a basic understanding of higher secondary school physics along with the sound knowledge and familiarity with the building terminologies and design would be helpful. This course is divided into 3 lectures, wherein the first lecture will contain an overview of CFD. The following lectures will give you a strong foundation of building modeling on Design Builder software, a software used to analyze and take effective decisions to optimize the building design. The third lecture of this course is focused to CFD modeling for the exterior environment of buildings. As complementary initiative, we have also provided access to the 2 lectures wherein you can familiarize yourself with the additional features of the Design Builder software and can also have an overview on how to do CFD analysis for interior building spaces to make effective design decisions. Here are few things which you should certainly take care while completing this course. After every lecture, you will be directed to the quiz section. It isn't a reason to worry. The questions will be a simple self-assessment test containing 10 to 15 questions which will be of multiple choice type and will be directly from the content covered in this course. Once you have attended the quiz, you will have to provide your feedback on the lecture that you have attended. The amazing part of this course is that you will get a chance to explore your skills and learnings from this course to work on an assignment based on real project conditions. Completing this assignment and all the quizzes after each lecture will surely give you enough confidence to execute the real life projects in future in your career. A certificate will be awarded on successful completion of this course, ensuring your competency in this domain. Now, the most endearing part about attending this course, taking forward our belief and commitment in providing start to end solution, here is another life-changing opportunity for you. The participants who do exceptionally well throughout this course will be shortlisted and be invited for internship or job opportunities depending on the vacancy in the organization. Along with this, we will also showcase your profile as an outstanding participant on the GT Academy portal, and this will also be very well shared and recognized over relevant social media platforms. I'm sure you now have a sound understanding about this course, and you would surely be excited to enroll to this course. Please sign up now to start your journey with us so that you can also avail the limited time offer, which is an access to the 2 complimentary lectures along with this course package. On that note, my best wishes to all of you, and I hope you will have a very exciting journey with us. Thank you and good luck.